Who's wearing makeup? Who? Me. Hi everyone, it's Wendychu here. Today I have another simple makeup look for you. It's really simple and glowy. It's good for people who doesn't want to have a lot of makeup or don't have a lot of time for doing makeup. So this makeup look is for you. If you're really interested in, please keep on watching. I'm trying to drying a peony right now, so this has already been 3 days. 3 days, so it's really soft. I'm not gonna touch it at all. This one is just for another kind of like experimenting how to dry a pretty peony like flower. So I put a kind of like garbage bag over the flower but still keep a little bit space inside to trying to like make it a little bit, I trying to make the color a little bit more bright than like the rest of the dry flower. But I don't know, this is doesn't like really make sense to anybody else, but I'm just trying, you know, it's worth to try. And kind of just hang there for like 2 to 3 weeks, and then voila, you will have a really pretty dry flower, dry peony. Is she pretty? She's prettier I do. I definitely feel I'm prettier. What did you fucking say? You're prettier. Girl, I doubt it. I have makeup on. You don't. So, don't try me. Okay? She's crazy. Don't listen to her. Listen to me. Oh my god, I'm crazy. Okay, this makeup look is done. Hope you guys like it. If you like this makeup look, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel and comment down below. If you feel like, oh my god, this makeup look is so easy and handy, please share with all your other friends or your best friend or somebody who is learning makeup, or you can just share it with them. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you next time.